Hello everyone, a very good evening. Please आपके cameras on कर लीजिए so I can see your faces and we can have a good interaction. So I would request you all please on your camera so we can have a good interaction and I would prefer आप लोग chat box पे discussion करें. Please don't unmute your cameras, unmute your mics. जो भी discussion करना है, we'll do it on the chat box so that हमारा working ज़्यादा अच्छे से होगा and we'll be able to cover up the topic very faster. So I hope आप सबको you all know what is graphology. Any idea of what is graphology? How does graphology work? Is it a new term? Is it a new concept? Or you all know it? Please write it in the chat box so I can understand.
Graphology is about handwriting.
And so what about handwriting? What do we do with the handwriting here? Will it be okay if I use only English or you would prefer Hindi English? What would be the preferable language?
English.
Okay, you want it mix? Okay, fine. Yeah, so it is something reading a person through his or her writing, analyzation of handwriting. Wonderful. We have got we have got answers. Yeah, Vaishnavi, right, ma'am? I have attended you. I know, Vaishnavi. So you're not supposed to message anything. Great, you message being personal. Personality through handwriting, yes. It is. It tells us about our personality as well as the personality of others. So how you are, how you behave, how you talk, how you move, everything it talks about. Okay. So there are many things in graphology to learn and to understand. It's a very vast topic because when we try to understand a person, we just cannot understand from one perspective. और ग्राफोलॉजी में दो मेजर ट्रेट्स होते हैं. वन इज गेस्टॉल्ट मेथड एंड अनदर इज ट्रेट मेथड. ट्रेट इज वेयर वी एनालाइज एवरी लेटर. हर एक लेटर का जब एनालाइजेशन होता है तो उसको हम लोग ट्रेट मेथड बोलते हैं. सो दैट इज हाउ वी एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड कि हर एक लेटर का मीनिंग क्या है, हर एक लेटर का स्ट्रोक कैसा गया है, वो कौन से जोन में काम कर रहा है, ये सारी चीजें उसके ऊपर डिस्कस की जाती है. देन वी ट्राई टू गेस द अंडरस्टैंड द पर्सनालिटी. इट इज नॉट गेस वर्क, इट इज अ टोटल क्लैरिटी कि पर्सन कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, बड़ा क्लियर होता है. नाउ there are many people who question, does graphology really work? So yes, 99% graphology does work. 1% of course, anything everything can be a problem, but yes, 99% graphology काम करता है और accurate human being का behavior बताता है. Because basically what happens is you are trained through your neurons. हमारे पूरे body में neurons है अलग अलग और हमारा brain जो है ना, ये neurons से सारी memories collect करता है and it utilizes these memories to understand and to work. Okay, so जब हम लिखते हैं तो लिखते वक्त what happens is these things, यानी हमारा जो ये handwriting, हमारे जो strokes आ रहे हैं, हमारा जो pen holding का type है, हमारा जो लिखने का तरीका है, ये सारी चीजें जो है they discuss about they actually force our fingers to write in a particular manner. हम सब लोग स्कूल गए थे, स्कूल में जाने के बावजूद हम सबका हैंडराइटिंग अलग अलग है. टीचर has taught us together, right? No teacher taught a child's kids separately. If there are 40 students in the class, all 40 teacher told A for apple. It was that simple, right? But still our A, we all have different A's. We don't have same A's. We all have different A's. Or whatever the handwriting trait is, we all have different. And the reason is because we work through our neurons. So these neurons make a pattern and this pattern comes on your book or the page you write, okay? Now, we are going to work with Gestalt method. Gestalt यानी basically you are over, आप detail study नहीं करते हो, you are just आप पेपर देख के इंसान को समझने की कोशिश करते हो. So Gestalt method में there are many things: slant, zone, pressure, then it is the sizing of the letters, the utilization of the paper, everything is taken care of. But today we are going to talk only about margins. So what are basically margins? Let me just flip my camera. Give me a second. Yeah. So I hope you all can see the camera. Yeah. So now this is a paper, right? ये हम सबके पास में एक ऐसा पेपर होता है. This is a plain blank paper. I have told you all to write I have told you all to write something on a blank paper, right? So now this blank paper has 4 sides: the left side, the right side, the top and the bottom. So ये 4 sides है इस पूरे blank paper में. Okay? And when you write, जब आप लिखते हो तो आपने हर एक साइड पे, चारों साइड पे कितनी मार्जिन छोड़ी है. It talks about your behavior. Okay, so now these margins, when we write something, the way we leave margins, it talks about that. Now, before I talk about margins and before we discuss about margins, okay, yeah. So before we discuss about that, now we all had been to school, right? In schools, we all had, when we all were writing, we were taught to write with margins, where there were rules, right? Ruled margins थे हमारे पास में, हमारे पेपर पे ऑलरेडी लाइंस बने हुए रहते थे. एक रेड कलर की लाइन थी लेफ्ट साइड को और एक रेड कलर की लाइन थी ऑन द टॉप, राइट? सो देयर वर 2 लाइंस, एंड स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली these margins were removed. When you went to college, ये margins निकल गई. फिर धीरे धीरे we started writing on without ruled papers, right? So now the reason why we are using the margins, बचपन में आपको margins के ही साथ में क्यों सिखाया जाता था? So there's a very big reason with graphology. Now the reason is that now this is the page, and page का 1/8 part is always the margin. हर एक पेज में जब आप लिखते हो, there's a 1/8 part जिसको margin, where there is a margin to the paper, right? So this is a paper जो हमने बचपन में use किया है, right? So now this left side of the margin, why we leave the left side of the margin? Left is your past. Okay, this is all your past. Then it is family, then it is your society, country. So left is all about your past, society, culture, country के बारे में डिस्कस किया जाता है. Okay, so that is why we are told कि आपको ये margin leave करनी है, because we need to respect. Okay, we need to learn to accept. Acceptance has to be there. Okay, when we leave the margin, जब हम ये 1/8 margin छोड़ के जब लिखते हैं, compulsory जब हमको लिखाया जाता है, so what we are doing is we are leaving this space. So leaving this space says that we accept the societal norms, we accept our past, we accept our family, we accept the country we stay in. So we are accepting everything from here. Okay, so this talks about the acceptance from our side. Okay, so left is your past, society, community, family, and the acceptance for all the above. Okay, then it is the top. Now top, why we are supposed to leave the top? We have to leave the top because we need to respect the past. We have to respect the left side. So हमारे left का acceptance जो आना चाहिए वो आता है हमारे top margin से. Okay, so the acceptance comes from the respect comes from the top margin. So that is the reason you are supposed to leave the top margin. Okay, top margin you leave so that you respect all these things. Left margin you leave because you need to accept all these things. Got it? And now what happens is when you accept your past and respect your past, now right side is your future. What will come in your future? Future में क्या क्या आएगा हमारा? Future में risk taking आएगा, opportunities आएंगे, क्योंकि future अगर हमको positive चाहिए, हमारा goal, our goal settings will come in the future. So all these things which will relate to your future, which will help you to form a wonderful life, which will help you to make and be what you are in right side margin. Okay, इसीलिए that was okay. Now can you all hear me? If yes, please give a thumbs up. Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
if somebody can just write in the chat box, where did I miss the connection? So where couldn't you hear me? So I'll just start from there again. Future. Okay, we were on the future part.
Yeah,
Okay.
future.
Future is basically where we will be taking the risk. क्योंकि अगर हमको एक पॉजिटिव फ्यूचर बनाना है, हमारा एक थॉट प्रोसेस बनाना है, तो वी हैव टू टेक रिस्क, वी हैव टू सेट आवर गोल्स. सो द रिस्क, goal setting, then it is opportunity seeking. Okay, hope you can see the, yes, you can see it. I thought you were not it. Yeah, so your future, so that is the reason why we were told कि आपको left, you are supposed to leave the left margin, you are supposed to leave the top margin, but you're not supposed to leave the right margin. Because right margin, when you write or when you utilize this complete right margin, what is going to happen? You will force yourself to have proper future. You will force yourself to take risk. You will be an opportunity seeker. You will plan goals properly. Okay, so that is the reason we did not have margins to the right hand side. We always had margin to the left and margin to the top. Okay, and now it is the bottom. Now this bottom margin is all talks about execute. How will you execute these right side? Now right side, as you have your future, you have your goals, you have your risk taking opportunity. So how are you going to execute comes to the bottom. Okay, and that is the reason on the bottom there is a small margin, because you need to know आपने execute करते वक्त कहाँ पे रुकना चाहिए, where you're supposed to stop. Because if you do it, अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा risk ले लेते हो, बहुत ज़्यादा over ambitious हो जाते हो, तो it is going to be a problem. And that is why to the bottom there was a small margin always. Okay, so these are the reasons why we had margins. And I hope you've written this. I'll just rub it out. Yeah. So now this talks about how are we going to. Ma'am, your voice is not coming again. Okay.
Ma'am, it is audible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So see, this is how you're supposed to understand. So now we understood to a page there are 4 margins, 4 sides, left, right, top, and bottom. All these sides have their own meanings. Okay, left side, it is your past, your family, your culture, your religion, your society, your country. Everything comes to the left side. The way you respect comes to the top. इसीलिए you're supposed to leave the top side. Okay, top. Okay, then it is the right hand side. Right hand side is your complete future.
Future, opportunity, goal, and risk.
Yes, I would request, please don't unmute. I'll just give you time to unmute yourself. Okay, so it'll talk about your future. It'll talk about everything what you're planning, you want in your life. Okay, and then it is the bottom side. The bottom is your execution. How will you execute? How will you plan? Okay, so this is how you divide the page in 4 sides. This is how you understand a page. Now this page talks about your day working. एक पूरे दिन में आप कैसे काम करोगे. Okay, so अगर this is a page, okay, and now if you've started writing, and then if you stop here, so what is happening? You're not utilizing the day over here. You are not working properly because you have left the bottom margin. The bottom is left. Okay, so that is why your execution will not be proper. You won't execute properly. Same if you don't write here, if you start writing from here, what are you doing? You're leaving the space up so that you're not starting the day properly. जो लेजी लोग होते हैं ना, सुबह लेट उठते हैं, जो लेट काम करते हैं, जो लेट सब चीजें करते हैं, they would write a little below, or even the line spacing changes. So there are many other things, but this is how you can normally understand कि जो बहुत लेट उठने वाले बच्चे होते हैं, या फिर जो the ones who are like lazy kids, or when we say in academic sense they are not good, so what they do is वो बहुत सारे lines छोड़ के, yes.
I have a question. Can you repeat? If we lean bottom line, what happens?
I said I'll give you time to question, so please wait for some time. Once I do with the once I complete my work, I'll surely answer your questions. Done? Okay. So when you leave this space, what are you doing? You don't start the day properly. So this can be the day, the month, the week, the years. Okay. So आप दिन की शुरुआत प्रॉपर नहीं करते हो, आप you don't plan your week properly, you don't plan your month properly, you don't plan your year properly. So this is the start and this is the end. Okay, so this is your this page, the vertical side of the page talks about your day plan, then your week plan, then your month plan, and your year plan. Okay, so all the four things, how will you execute? Where will it come? It will come on the spacing, the way you have written. Okay, but then when it comes to margin, now this is how you need to understand the page. Okay, before I move ahead to the margins, yes, somebody was asking a question. Where's the boy? I'm sorry, I missed you, darling. Viren, yeah.
Yeah. The question was, what is meaning of bottom? If we left the bottom, what it means?
Okay. Now, if you leave the bottom, you are not executing the work properly. आपने जो कुछ काम करने का सोचा है, जो आपने गोल्स प्लान किए हैं, जो आपने फ्यूचर जो आपका प्लान किया है, आप रिस्क प्रॉपर्ली नहीं लोगे, तो ऐसी सारी चीजें यू विल लीव. ओके, you won't be able to execute properly. यानी मे बी आप रिस्क ले लोगे, बट रिस्क लेने के बाद में you'll be like, oh God, why did I take? Because you're leaving the bottom. और अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा बॉटम तक लिख रहे हो तो क्या हो रहा है, आप बहुत ज्यादा रिस्क ले रहे हो, जरूरत से ज्यादा यू आर टेकिंग रिस्क, बिकॉज यू आर राइटिंग टिल द बॉटम, यू आर नॉट लीविंग अ स्पेस टू बॉटम. So this is what the bottom talks. Okay, now we'll be looking to different now left margin has different things, right margin has different things into it, so all the four sides have different things into it. Okay, so we are going to look to the left and right margin, what are the different things to it. Okay, now as I said, this is a page. Okay, now as we all know, we normally leave 1/8 part of the page. When you leave 1/8 part of the page, that is a normal gap you should give. That is the normal way you will accept and you will respect your past. Okay, so that is why 1/8 part from both the sides, when you leave, you will accept and respect your past, your family, your culture, your society, everything. Clear? So when you leave 1/8 part, okay, so this is a normal margin to both the sides. This is a normal margin. Okay, now there are people, what do? They start writing from यहाँ से लिखना शुरू करते हैं, बहुत पास से लिखते हैं. Okay, they don't leave the space, they start writing from here. Now you can just check your handwriting and we'll discuss कि आपकी handwriting में इसमें आपके margins में इसमें से कोई trait है क्या, and then we'll discuss how it really works. Okay, so now when you don't leave the space to this side, what are you doing? आप बहुत चिपक रहे हो अपने पास्ट को, right? You're very close to your past. Now what will happen when you get so close to your past, when you get so close to your when you get so close, आप imagine करो कि you are sitting in a restaurant. Okay, and you are a girl and your brother or maybe your father or maybe your mother is sitting very close to you, what will happen? You will say, Mama, thoda shift ho jao na. Mama, shift a little. Give space. You need that space, right? So if that space is not there, so you love your family a lot, no doubt. But again, if you don't give that space to your family, there'll be conflicts in the family. So this is narrow left margin. Okay. What we have written is narrow left margin. If the person writes in narrow left margin, what is going to happen? He'll be having a lot of family problems because बहुत ज्यादा एक दूसरे को पकड़ के रखा है. You're not giving space to the family members. You're not allowing the society to lean the way it is. You're not allowing any space. तो अगर स्पेस नहीं होगा तो बट नेचुरल प्रॉब्लम होगा, राइट? This narrow left margin. So these people will have problems with the family. Okay, they'll be having problems with the family, with the past. So past को हमेशा चिपक के रहेंगे. मेरे साथ में ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, I faced this issue, I had these problems. So these people will keep on talking about their past a lot because they are very much connected to the past. Okay, now the writer is attached to the family, not only mother, but the writer is attached to a complete family because past, this left side of the margin talks about the family. So complete family, of course, mom, agar aap mom se zyada pyar karte ho to no doubt, but then it is also that you are very much connected to your complete family. Okay, then the next is,
excuse me ma'am, can I ask you something?
yes, sure.
Just now you told that if you are using the left margin, you are very much attached to your past. But nowadays, what people are doing, they are leaving some of the space towards their right also. So what does that mean?
Now, right, we haven't done. We are doing the left margin right now. So let us complete the left, then we'll go to the right. Because right has its own meaning, left has its own meaning. Okay?
Excuse me. One more. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, Urdu language is written from right to left. So
Now
does
that
mean?
no, you know,
What
now.
does it mean?
Okay, that
Does that
also
mean
has a. See,
हाँ.
all the things have different meanings. Okay, and
Yes.
graphology is a subject जो आप एक घंटे में नहीं सीख सकते. It has to be a long process. So let us just stick to what we are learning right now. क्योंकि अगर हम लोग हर चीज में जाएंगे ना, तो ये लेक्चर रात भर भी चल सकता है. Then we all won't be able to sleep for the whole night. Okay, so let us not drift ourselves from the topic. Let us be connected to the topic. Okay. Now moving on, the second is, we right now did the narrow left margin. Okay. Now it is the wide left margin. Wide यानी 1/8, as I said, is a normal margin. Okay, यानी यहाँ से अगर चालू करते हैं आप, तो it is 1/8, which is right. But then there are people who use wide left margin. बहुत ज़्यादा जगह छोड़ते हैं. Wide left margin. This normally happens if you've seen the students, especially अगर आपको याद होगा, if you are not a bright child, what you do is एक margin दी हुई होती है, then you give one more margin, then you give one more margin, so that the paper is utilized more. But then when you do this, what are you doing? You are going away from the family. You're not accepting the past. You're not accepting that people are not ready to accept you. You don't want to connect to your past. So you don't want to listen that I'm not intelligent, I'm not a good boy, I'm not studying properly, or whatever it is. You know, तो आपको ये सारी बातें सुननी नहीं है. इसलिए आप क्या करते हो? आप बहुत दूर से लिखना चालू कर देते हो. So this is wide left margin. You will try to go away from your past. You will not prefer to connect with your past because somewhere you're not okay with it. Okay, so that is how you will go away from the past. Clear? Then, give me a second. Then it is drifting left margin. Now drifting में क्या होता है कि you start, then आप कभी बीच में होते हो, कभी इधर होते हो. So you are not clear. so your margin is drifting, आगे पीछे होती रहती है, so it keeps on drifting. Okay, it keeps on shifting. So when you write like this, you are somewhere disconnected, you don't have the clarity कि आपका पास्ट या आपकी फैमिली में आपको जो एक्सेप्टेंस मिल रहा है, इज इट ओके, इज इट नॉट, सो यू, दैट इज व्हाई यू गो लिटिल ड्रिफ्टी. Okay, you keep on shifting, you get wavy. So the person's confidence will not be shaky, but the person's acceptance to the family will be little shaky, to the society will be little shaky. Sometimes the person will be happy with the family, sometimes the person will not be happy with the family because he has a drifting margin. Okay, any question till now, or should I go ahead with the next margin?
Ma'am, can you repeat this once again?
Which one? The drifting margin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So see, what happens is drifting margin, you start, then kabhi aage, kabhi piche. So aapke your margin is not consistent. Your margin will keep on changing. Okay. Kabhi aage, kabhi piche hai. So the margin keeps on changing. So here the person is not clear that has he to connect to the past or shouldn't he. So somewhere the person is really not very much okay, or sometimes he'll be very happy with the family. Sometimes he'll say, yes, I have the best family. And sometimes he'll say, no. My family doesn't understand me. Or sometimes he'll say, my country is the best country. And sometimes he'll say, thoda aur better hota to zyada acha ho jata. So, this person has a lot of confusions in whatever he or she is doing. And that is why they have this kind of margin. Okay. Then it is narrowing bottom margin. Now what happens is the person starts writing and धीरे वो shift हो जाता है. So he is okay, narrowing bottom margin. Now what is happening? Sorry, widening bottom margin, left widening bottom margin. Now what is happening? The writer is going in a cross manner, right? इसका gap बढ़ते जा रहा है, and at the end बहुत बड़ा gap है. So what is happening? This writer wants to disconnect from the past. So ये जो लोग होंगे ना, ये they would prefer to go away from the family to study. So they'll be like, I want to go to a particular place to study. So these will be the people who want to go away from the family. Or if you're a married lady, आपका मायका बहुत दूर होगा. It must be far away. I mean, it will take a longer span to reach to your mama's place because you are far away from your family. So this can happen even after you get married, and then the handwriting can change because you're away from your past. Okay, so या फिर आपको फैमिली से दूर जाना है, आपको आपके पास से दूर जाना है, कंट्री से दूर जाना है, you want to go abroad, so this pattern will come. Okay, so you will shift to the, I mean, you will widen to the bottom margin, left wide bottom margin. It is left wide bottom margin. Okay, so left side में आप bottom margin पे आप बहुत दूर चले जाओगे because you don't want to go close to the family. Okay, or you don't want to go close to the country. You want to completely disconnect, and that is why you started from here and you're ending here. Okay, same happens exactly ulta. It is this way. The writer can go this way. So it is wide left margin, wide left top margin. So it is wide left top margin. Okay, so now what is happening? Previously the writer was not connected to the family, but slowly and steadily he has found the connect with the family. Okay, so धीरे धीरे writer को family से, past से, अपने लोगों से कुछ connect feel होने लग गया. He is happy with the family, and that is why he wants to go back. So जो लोग होते हैं ना, जो जॉब से बहुत परेशान हो जाते हैं, they are like, नहीं हम गांव जाके सेटल हो जाएंगे. We would prefer to go and stay there because I have my roots there. So these will be the people who will start writing like this. These will be the people who will go back because they want to connect to the backup, they want to connect to the past, they want to connect to their society, to their family, they want to connect, okay, to the past. So that is how they will start shifting to this side, and that is why this is called as wide left top margin. Clear? Now see, there are many varieties to it. I'll be giving you just few because it's just an hour lecture and we have already completed half an hour. So we'll start with the right hand side and we'll then hand, okay, before I move to the right, I have again stopped.
Ma'am, yeah.
Yeah, I know my video is paused. Okay. We are checking the camera till then. This was the left margin we discussed. Iske alawa, there are many different types, concave, convex, and all variety of left margins we have. But I've just taught you 4 simple margins because ये normally आपको easily दिख जाएंगे and you will be able to analyze people very easily. So that is the reason I said we'll just go for these. Any questions in these lines? Only about this. Okay, let us not go in any other tangent. So अगर इससे related कोई question है तो you can surely ask or we'll just go ahead. Okay, any question? No. Should I go ahead? If yes, please give a thumbs up so I can just go ahead. Yeah, I can see a lot of thumbs ups. Yeah. So now we are going to the right margin. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that whatever the conclusion you have said, that is it calculation based or rational based? Like that, these conclusions are this conclusion proven, or it is just a base of conclusion that this kind of person, if the person is writing from this kind of way, so he is like that. Is it rational or just means calculation?
It's totally scientific knowledge. It's give me a second, okay? Please give me a second. Should I start?
Yes.
The screen is blue, sir. Yeah, the one who asked me the question, this is a science. It is not on thought process या ऐसे ही conclusions निकाले हैं नहीं है. It is completely science and it is a proven science. So basically graphology is a 3000-year-old course. 3000 साल पहले से ये course design हुआ था and it has come from China in India. And in 1970, the word graphology was coined by a Frenchman. So he was the one who coined the word. And ये analysis बहुत पहले से है. So हर भाषा जो हम use करते हैं, so maybe it is Chinese, maybe it is Japanese, maybe it is Telugu, Tamil, जो भी language हम use करते हैं, उर्दू जैसे आप लोगों ने बोला, तो हर language को graphology के through आप analyze कर सकते हैं. And this analysis is completely scientific. There is no calculation या बस लगा इसलिए किसी ने बोल दिया, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. It is completely scientific, a total scientific approach it has. Yes, Simran, you have raised the hand. Can I know why, baby? Simran, I cannot hear you. You're still not audible. You can just type if you want. You can just type. So I can just answer your question. Okay, I think, can we go ahead with the topic? Yeah. So we'll be now moving to the right margin. Okay. Yeah. Now, as we did the left margin, it is the right margin. Now, some people have a wavy right margin. What happens is, now how you're supposed to understand the right margin? Whatever I write, if I write IMHAPPY, maybe I write like this कि मैं यहाँ पे line दे देती हूँ or maybe I write I am and then happy over here, or maybe अरे I am still again मैं no, the video has again stopped. Give me a second, I'm so sorry, the video is okay. So can you just connect? Yeah. Yeah, okay. It's there. Yeah. So maybe I leave this particular space, I don't write, or I write I am happy. Now I've written in 3 separate styles. Okay. आपको right margin कैसे ढूंढनी होती है? How do you understand the right margin? You understand that the next letter, the next word that I have written, can it fit in this line, in this space? If it can fit, then I am not utilizing the full line. यानी अगर मैंने जो sentence लिखा है, अगर वो वर्ड मैंने नीचे लिया है और यहाँ पे जो जगह है उसमें अगर ये नीचे वाला वर्ड ऊपर नहीं आ सकता है तो मैंने मार्जिन का इस्तेमाल बराबर किया है. बट अगर ये इस्तेमाल प्रॉपर नहीं है, अगर जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे स्पेस छोड़ दिया, ओके, यहाँ पे हैप्पी आ सकता था, राइट? इफ आई ट्राई टू राइट नाउ, सी आई एम एंड देन आई हैव लेफ्ट द स्पेस. नाउ इधर मैं चाहूं तो आई कैन राइट हैप्पी, but I haven't written, so I haven't utilized this space properly. So this is how you will understand the right margin spacing. Okay, right margin के लिए आप ये नहीं देखोगे कि कितनी जगह छोड़ी, आप ये देखोगे कि the next letter on the next line, the first word on the next line, how much can it be accommodated? अगर ये यहाँ पे accommodate हो जाएगा so I have not utilized it properly. If it is not accommodated, I have utilized the line properly. Clear? So this will depend on the second line's first word, that how am I using my right margin. Clear? Now, right margin can again be wavy. If it is wavy but natural, I am not utilizing my proper potential. I am not futuristic. I am sometimes, I am not sometimes. So कभी futuristic हूँ, कभी नहीं हूँ. I might sometimes not use the opportunities properly क्योंकि मेरा writing wavy है. तो कभी मैंने utilize कर ली, कभी मैंने line utilize नहीं की. Okay, so I am not clear what am I supposed to do. I can keep on drifting. I can keep on shaking. So I might not utilize opportunities, I might not take risks sometime. So I might not, because I have a wavy right margin. Okay. If
ma'am, I want to ask one question.
give me some time. Once we complete, I'll just give you some time and we'll just go on. So just let me complete this 2 things and we'll go on. Okay. So the first one was wavy margin. Now it is the wide right margin. So people who will not utilize the right margin. Now, when you're not utilizing the right margin, what are you doing? You are not allowing yourself to be confident, be futuristic. You won't take risk. You won't grab opportunities. You won't make it a point कि आप proper opportunities लो, आप proper risk लो, आप खुद को उस बात से रोकोगे. Will stop yourself. Okay. Now, the one who utilizes the complete right margin. Right margin utilization will always depend on the second line's first word. Okay. So, अगर मेरी proper right margin का utilization है, तो what am I doing? I am a risk taker. I am an opportunity seeker. I am a person who will think कि मैं अगर किसी पार्टी में गई हूँ तो what I'll do is I'll prefer कि मेरा business है तो मैं 4 लोगों से जाके बात कर लूँ, मेरा business card दे दूँ and tell them कि yeah, you can come and visit. Okay, you can take my services. So this is how I'll grab the opportunity. I will prefer कि मुझे जो लोग हैं वो मुझे बड़े functions में, यानी जहाँ पे expensive functions हो वहां बुलाए. क्यों? क्योंकि expensive functions होंगे तो I'll earn more, right? वहां पे मुझे एक क्लाइंट भी मिला तो इट इज ओके, 4 क्लाइंट भी मिले तो भी इट इज ओके. So I'll prefer to go in good parties. I'll take all the risk. I'll take all the opportunities if I'm utilizing this right margin properly. Okay, so that is how you will be a good person if you utilize the complete right margin in a proper sense. Okay, now there is a margin again which will be narrowing. So आप क्या करोगे? You will start writing, and at the end you will utilize the complete right margin, but to the start you will not. So kya hoga? In the starting you were not ready to take risk. In starting of your years, in starting of the day, in starting of the week, in starting of the month, you did not take risk. But slowly and steadily as the life processed, आप risk taker बन गए, आपने risk लेना सीख लिया, आप opportunity seeker हो गए, आप futuristic हो गए. You knew what you want and you're working to it very properly. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि दिन की शुरुआत में आप नहीं लो, दिन की शुरुआत में आप काम बड़े लेजीली करो, बट जैसे जैसे दिन खत्म होता है ना, ओके आई एम गोना डू दिस, आई एम गोना डू दैट, आई एम रेडी फॉर दिस. सो द नाइट पीपल, जो नाइट लवर्स होते हैं ना, द नॉक्टर्नल पीपल, जो रात को जगना बहुत पसंद करते हैं, उनकी ये हो सकती है, बिकॉज दे प्रिफर टू वर्क एट नाइट, दे डोंट प्रिफर टू वर्क एट डे. So this can surely happen with the people. Okay. Now it can be exactly opposite. Narrowing bottom right margin. Okay. Now what is happening? I started the day with very confidence. I am working with confidence, and धीरे धीरे मेरा confidence कम हो गया, मेरा risk taking कम हो गया, मेरी opportunity लेने का, I am not grabbing the opportunities, I am leaving it. So that is how I am stopping myself to take the opportunities. Okay, so this is wide left. Okay, just okay, give me a second please, I'm sorry. Okay, it is wide right bottom margin. So the bottom goes bigger, you're increasing the bottom. Okay, so these were some margins which I tried to discuss with you all. Yes, there was somebody who was asking a question. If yeah, we can just take the questions.
Ma'am, can you tell what about if we leave the right line in zigzag way?
When it is wavy is you're not clear, you want to take or you don't want to take the opportunities. Okay, so you might sometimes take opportunities, you might sometimes be very futuristic, sometimes you might not do anything of that, you will just be a normal person कि नहीं ठीक है, जो चल रहा है ठीक है, मुझे ज्यादा रिस्क नहीं लेनी है. And sometimes you'll take lot of risk. Okay, that is how it will happen. Yeah, yes, somebody else was asking something.
Ma'am, I want to ask one question.
Yeah.
But if on the right side, the word is not able to, we cannot complete the word in that small space, then it will create a zigzag. Then what it means?
तो सी हम लोग वो zigzag वैसा नहीं, हम लोग कैसे, हम लोग कोई भी जो लाइन है ना, उसको हम लोग कैसे समझने वाले हैं. Writing something. If I write I am happy, and let us say यहाँ पे और है, and then I write girl, and then I write I love to enjoy life. Want to progress. Now, अभी जब आपको left margin, right margin समझनी है ना, so what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to calculate कि ये जो मेरा second line का first word है, ये यहाँ पे आ सकता है क्या? अगर ये यहाँ पे आएगा तो मैंने right side का utilization proper नहीं किया है. Can I write girl over here? Maybe I could have, but मैंने नहीं लिखा तो ये wavy हो गया. But अगर मेरा girl यहाँ पे आएगा ही नहीं, so I have left, I am utilizing it properly. Okay, so आपको सेकेंड लाइन के फर्स्ट वर्ड पे डिसाइड करना है कि आपने जो राइट मार्जिन है वो प्रॉपरली यूज की है कि नहीं है। राइट मार्जिन को अभी ये भी मेरी वेवी दिख रही है, राइट, इट इज वेवी, बट ये ऐसे कैलकुलेशन नहीं होता है। कैलकुलेशन क्या होगा, सेकेंड लाइन का फर्स्ट वर्ड अगर यहाँ पे आ जाएगा तो आई हैव नॉट यूटिलाइज्ड, अगर नहीं आएगा तो आई हैव यूटिलाइज्ड। ओके, दैट इज हाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड। इज द पॉइंट क्लियर? हाउ विल यू जज इट?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, one more question. Can you repeat, if we are not leaving a proper space on the left side, then what it means?
इफ आप अगर बहुत पास से लिखते हो ना, so what you're doing is you're not giving space to the past. आप बहुत ज्यादा पास्ट फैमिली को चिपक के आप काम कर रहे हो। ओके, आप उनको स्पेस ही नहीं दे रहे हो। you're not giving the family members or your kids the proper space they require, क्योंकि ये सब आपका पास्ट है, राइट। सो आपका जो फैमिली है उसको आप इतना ज्यादा पकड़ के रखने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, इतना ज्यादा उसमें आप उनको इतना ज्यादा एक दूसरे में आपने मिक्स करके रख दिया है that you might have conflicts with the people. So if you're married और अगर आपका ऐसा हैंडराइटिंग है तो आपका सास के साथ, हस्बैंड के साथ झगड़ा हो सकता है, क्योंकि आपने बहुत ज्यादा कनेक्टेड रखा है। तो इतना कनेक्शन किसी को नहीं अच्छा लगता, राइट। आपको भी तकलीफ होगी अगर कोई इतना आप में इतना आपकी लाइफ में अगर आप इंटरफियरेंस रहेगा तो। So same is going to happen with them because you are interfering into their life. You are completely holding everything. So that will trouble you a lot. Okay? Got it? Yes, Viren, you have a question?
Yes, ma'am. Every time I am in school, so if I have homework, means in margin I write question 1. From that, it happens.
Viren, till the age of 14, we don't study handwriting because 14 साल तक you are a seeker, you are a grabber. तो 14 साल तक आपको हैंडराइटिंग चेंज करने की, आपका मार्जिन चेंज करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। आफ्टर 14 we'll think where and what to change. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So hope you all have enjoyed and you have loved the concept. And if yes, I would really love your comments. Ki, how was it? Still we are on with
Ma'am,
questions.
it was fantastic.
Okay. And also, who would like to learn more about it? और डिटेल में किसको इसको जानना है? If you really want to know, please.
Ma'am, I want to.
Yeah, Viren, I would suggest आप 14 years के नहीं हो तो प्लीज आप मत करो, क्योंकि आप बहुत छोटे हो and आपको फिर ना it'll be a confusion for you कि करना क्या है and how things should work. So I would suggest आप थोड़े बड़े हो जाओ, then we'll do it. But for others, the best part is we are coming up with a beginner's course, which is a 10 days course. And the cost of it is 7,285, which we are giving on 30% discount, and the cost is 5,100. The amount and the link to enroll yourself will be sent in the group, and you can enroll yourself. So I'll be taking only 20 people in that session because जितने कम लोग होते हैं उतना attention proper होता है, and I can just solve everybody's issue and we can work very properly on that. So it will be only 20 people who will be working with. So if you really want to enroll and if you really want to know more about graphology, you can surely enroll yourself, and then we'll be having a wonderful learning, which we'll be starting from 12th of July. So it's a complete month. आपके पास में एक महीना है सोचने के लिए. But our enrollment will stop once we complete 20 numbers. So once we are done with those 20 numbers, we will surely stop the enrollment. So if you really want to do it, you can surely connect with us and we'll help you out. Yes, Simran, you want to say something? Simran, I'm not able to hear you, darling. If you can just please type in the chat box, I'll be able to help you out. Yeah. Also, with this, like as I said, there is also one more thing, which a small boot camp kind of thing is there. Ma'am, below 14 also. Below 14, I would not suggest people to go for graphology क्योंकि 14 साल तक. Now again, there is a concept called zeros and ones. You know, the way we are, the way computer works. How does a computer work? We all know the binary language, 0 and 1, right? This is the binary language of a computer. Same are we. हमारी भी binary language होती है 0 and 1 की. 0 is the mama के side, मतलब all the motherly figures kind of thing, you know, and 1 is the fatherly kind of figure. Now how does it work, what does it happen? लेकिन 14 साल तक 0 and 1 का आपका binary coding होता है. So ये हम लोग beginner course में पूरा detail में सीखेंगे कि binary होता क्या है, and how do you understand, how do you work on that. above 14 कोई भी कर सकता है, not a big deal. Somebody has written I'm 16, yes, you can join, so no problem. But then below 14, I would request please don't join. Also, I would request you can connect me on Facebook, you can connect me with Instagram if you really want to know more about things. The cost, as I said, it is on 30% discount, which will be there. Please send the link. You will get the link in the group. जो अभी हमारा ग्रुप है, अगर आपको कनेक्ट होना है, अगर आपको 12 तारीख से क्लास ज्वाइन करना है, you can surely wait. I mean, don't leave the group. आपको कल सुबह आपके पास में लिंक आ जाएगी, and you'll get to know and everything. Enrollment procedure आपको कल सुबह आ जाएगा. I also have my YouTube channel. It is Brainy Winnie. You can connect. You can just check out the channel. उसमें मैंने बहुत कुछ अलग-अलग चीजों पे videos बनाए हैं. I'm a graphologist. I'm a neurolinguistic programmer. I'm a color therapist. So we are coming up with different courses. जिसमें graphology भी है, color therapy भी है, NLP भी है. So ऐसी बहुत सारी. Name of the channel, it's Brainy Winnie, BRAINY. Host, if you can please type the name, or if you can just send the channel link, that will be great so that people can check it. So also a child psychologist. So ऐसे बहुत सारे courses we are coming up with, all the different courses in time. So you can surely be in the group, and we'll be just sending you all the different things, and you will get to know. Okay, so before we move on to anything, हमने जो कुछ मैंने आपको जो कुछ बताया है. Now, can somebody share कि अगर किसी का drifting left margin है या किसी का wavy margin है, so somebody would like to speak on that कि आपका margin ऐसे था, and now you understood, or now you know why your margin is narrowing or widening from the bottom or top. Something अगर आपने लिखा हुआ होगा, तो if you would like to share something.
Hello, ma'am. Sakshi.
Yes, Sakshi.
Actually, I am not able to analyze myself. So it would be better if I share the image, and you can just say, because what has happened is left
Okay,
margin.
you do one thing. You share the image on the WhatsApp, and I'll just check it. So just give me your mobile. I'll just check it on the WhatsApp. Send on the group. No, the group is locked. So okay, Sakshi, do one thing. Just unlock the group. Let her put it in the group, and then we'll analyze. So everybody will be able to see that, and we'll try to analyze your this. Okay. So
Okay,
also
just
your
give me a
signatures
minute.
speak a lot about you. So अगर आपको signature के बारे में भी जानना होगा, if you want to know more about your signatures, how do they work, what you can understand from the signatures, and कैसे आप आपकी signature को change करके आपका एक public look, public figure आपका अच्छा बना सकते हैं. So that also happens with graphology itself.
Just give me a minute. I'll share.
Yeah, so share it so we can go ahead. Yeah. Yes, जब तक साक्षी post कर रही है, would anybody like to say anything?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you
Yeah.
hear me? I'm Neetu. I would like to ask you one question. That we have prepared 1.5 page of written work. Would you like to explain about that also for others, including myself?
Pardon, I just lost the thread late.
About that written part, would you like
Yeah,
to
you know what
explain about
happens?
us?
Yeah, see, you know what happens is when you write 1.5 page. So normally what happens is, as a graphologist, we say कि आप जब शुरुआत में लिखते हो ना, so you don't want to show yourself exactly. हम जब कहीं पे भी जाते हैं, what we do is we want to show our goody face. But then slowly and steadily आपका original जो चेहरा है वो सामने आ जाता है, and that is why the next page, the half page what you have written, we understand you clearly that what you are. So you then cannot show off, and you then cannot tell us that, oh, this is not I am, or you know, something like that. That is why we write 1.5 page. And 3 signatures, why we expect is because every time when you give signatures and when you write something, what happens is your signatures might have different dots, different underscores, or maybe you know, connections somewhere. So all these things might change a little slight here and there, and that is how we can understand is there really any change in your nature, or you're the same every time? That is why we say thrice you have to sign. I do this. I mean, I do consult, I do give remedies. So we also work on this particular section that you send us your handwriting and we'll give you remedies on what can be changed in your signatures, in your handwritings, some particular letters when you change, how will you have a better life, how will you connect with your goals and do and achieve what you want. So the cost for that is it is 3525. So 3,525 rupees is the charge. So we read your handwritings, we understand it, and we completely try to work on it. Of course, it's offer price right now. Yeah, Sakshi, you have written this. It's the handwriting is on my hand now. Sakshi, if you all can just check, it is. She has written complete straight. बहुत ज़्यादा straight लिखा है साक्षी ने. There is no. It is street smart writing. This handwriting is called as street smart writing. Now what happens is, Sakshi, don't take me otherwise, but then many of the times these people want to show that they are very much believing in the society, they are very much with the society, they are very much accepting whatever is happening, but kahin na kahin andar se wo acceptance nahi hai. Is it right, Sakshi?
Yeah.
Right? See, so this is street smart. So they are trying to show off ki I believe in my culture, I believe in my society, I believe in everything, but sometimes they are not ready to accept it. So ये जब बहुत एकदम exact straight आएगा ना कि एक word भी इधर उधर नहीं जाता है, it is called as street smart writing. So then change it, because you just cannot fool yourself. इससे you're darling fooling yourself, that you're trying to just show the people what you are not. So don't do that, because when you will understand, when you will really show what you are exactly, तो कहीं ना कहीं आप खुद से झूठ बोलना बंद करोगे. There is a big fight between yourself going on कि ये सब सही है या गलत है. Should I really believe in what I think, or should I really believe in what my family says, or maybe my society says, whatever it is. But stop this fight. And that is why you can have a little drifty or wavy margin. So then whatever you're thinking, you can get a right direction to it. Okay? Yes. Is it okay, Sakshi? I'm sorry, मैंने बहुत bluntly जवाब दे दिया, but just as it came, I just said it. So please don't take it otherwise.
No, but this generally happens. मतलब काफी बार होता है, अपन फैमिली में छोटे हैं, and this usually happens कि कुछ बोल रहे हैं as a girl or something. Okay, but then अंदर के अंदर ऐसे लगता है कि यार no, this is wrong. I know this is wrong, but we cannot do anything.
Yeah, so this is how graphology helps you to understand people without meeting people also. आप जब किसी से बिना मिले सिर्फ उसकी हैंडराइटिंग अभी तो हम लोग सिर्फ और गेस्टॉल पे है. गेस्टॉल का भी एक ही ट्रेट किया हमने, एक ही ट्रेट पे हमने सिर्फ लेफ्ट मार्जिन के ऊपर से ये बात बताई. So imagine when we work on everything, we can also talk about if there is any history of cancer patient, if there is any history of any medical history अगर आपके फैमिली में है तो उसके बारे में डिस्कशन हो सकता है. आपके एक्सीडेंट हो सकते हैं कि नहीं हो सकते हैं, आप करियर अच्छा बना सकते हो या नहीं बना सकते हो, आप शॉपोहॉलिक हो, आपको कपड़े किस तरीके से पहनना अच्छा लगता है. एवरीथिंग कम्स इनटू योर हैंडराइटिंग, बिकॉज़ दिस इज हाउ यू आर, so this is how you. Yes, Sakshi.
One thing I would like to ask कि right में what I have did is पहले तो एक specific space छोड़ा है.
Yeah.
एक specific space छोड़ा है, and then letter and then words what I have did somewhere where I felt कि word नहीं आ सकता है वो नीचे, and then to maintain that space again I have written सब नीचे उसके एकदम perfectly straight करा है.
Sakshi, if I just see your paper, if I just talk about the gestalt, if I just talk about all the 4 margins, आपने चारों sides पे margin छोड़ी है. Okay? So left side का तो हमने discuss कर लिया. Now top का जो है, you are respecting, because आपने बहुत proper 1/8 of the page आपने margin दिया है, so you are respecting your family, no doubt about that. But to the right hand side, you are not clear about seeking your opportunities. You're not clear should you grab or shouldn't you grab. क्योंकि आप you're not clear about your family thoughts and beliefs, right? So that is why this change is there in your handwriting. Okay, somewhere you also secretive, क्योंकि आपने चारों साइड से मार्जिन छोड़ी है, तो चारों साइड से मार्जिन जितनी छोड़ी आपने उसके हिसाब से this talks about you can be a secretive person at times. Okay, so well, there are many things I can talk about you if I go ahead. Yeah, you can surely consult me if you want. I'll give you a complete detail about it and I'll let you know what to do. Yes, there's somebody who has raised the hand. Vishaka, yes, you can please go on.
Yeah, thank you, Mansi. Just had one question. If you could just answer it, because you were analyzing handwriting, so it made me a little curious. If you can, and if you're comfortable in answering, when I write, my left margins stay as they are, but I am not able to maintain my right margins. At times, my writing goes till the end of the page.
So you are a person who works for the whole day. You are a person जिसको काम मतलब even आपको सब्जी बनानी है ना, so you will prefer कि आप पहले दिन उसकी थोड़ी सी तैयारी करके रख लो and second day you start working. आप मतलब अगर इस आलू का पराठा बनाना है ना, तो आप आलू धो के पूरा रख के आप फ्रिज किचन में रख दोगे and then second day morning आप बाकी काम करोगे. So you're a person who would want to work for the whole time. You cannot sit idle. आप शांति से नहीं बैठ सकते हो. You want to utilize the complete time you have, and that is why आपका लेफ्ट आपका राइट मार्जिन जो है वो पूरा आपका एंड तक जाता है, आप कहीं रुकते नहीं.
Right. Okay, thank you so much. And being a principal, I guess this is something which is inevitable.
Yeah, basically the thing was, as a principal, I thought every principal she talks about the schooling and everything, but this is the thing what kids really need to know, because after 10th there is no mark. The marks will not help you. The percentage or the rectified knowledge what the kid has will never help you. What will help is only this out of box thinking and out of box working, and that was the reason why I started working with it. And so I'm a graphologist, NLP practitioner, color therapist, and lot many things I'm doing.
I would love to connect with you, possibly
sorry
for my
to
parent
interrupt.
fraternity.
I'm sorry to interrupt. I'm her student.
Yeah, Sakshi is my student.
Yes,
you
Mansi, I was
something?
saying that I would like to connect with you, possibly a little more for the benefit of my students and parents.
100%. So you can surely connect with me. We do share the numbers in the group, so you can surely anytime give a call and we'll work on that. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Anybody else would like to talk about their margins? आपने अगर कुछ लिखा होगा तो जैसे हमने साक्षी का एनालाइज किया, और किसी का भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं. So और थोड़ा सा knowledge बढ़ेगा and you will understand. And as I said, to know more, you can surely join the course and you'll get to know a lot of things from this course, and you will make your life as well as your kids' life a wonderful life. आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स की भी लाइफ बहुत अच्छी होती है, क्योंकि आप बहुत सिंपल चीजों से बहुत सारे चेंजेस कर लेते हो आपकी लाइफ में, एंड यू कैन रियली हेल्प एवरीबडी वर्क फास्टर. सो एज आई सेड, इट्स ऑन 30% डिस्काउंट, सो इट इज ओनली 5,100. वी आर स्टार्टिंग ऑन 12th of July. So enroll fast. It is only 20 people who can enroll. 20 लोगों से ज़्यादा enrollment नहीं होने वाली है. So anything anybody would like to ask? Any questions related to our topics? Somebody had asked me about this Urdu का लिखना जो है और English का लिखना है. So as I said, left and right, past and future. So as English starts from left to the right, we go from past to the future, and as Urdu goes from left to right, right to left, sorry. So we are going from the future to the past. So that is the change, and every language has its own traits. So this is how you have to judge and analyze the handwritings. Okay, so I hope you've loved it, and it was a wonderful session for me. It was great connecting to all of you. So I hope we meet soon in our Simran. I said कि handwriting जो होती है ना, उर्दू वाली जो होती है वो right से left चलती है. So right से left लिखने वाले जो लोग होते हैं ये future से past में जाते हैं. So that is what I said. So in details, I have already given the details of the course, and you can surely enroll, and we can discuss a lot, work a lot on it, and we can understand the things very faster. So do connect with me. I'll be waiting for you all. So I think यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग अभी रुके हुए हैं ना, they are genuinely planning to be in the course, and that is why I can see you all waiting over here. So I'm waiting for you all for to meet you on 12th of July. It'll be a 10 days course which will be from Monday to Friday. Saturday Sunday off रहेगा. So दोनों दिन, so 2 हफ्ते चलने वाला ये course. So it is from 12th to 23rd. Both the Saturday Sundays will be off. So that is how we are going to work. And 5 days. The timing will be again at the night, 8:30 or 7:30, something like that. So it'll be 2 hours session for 5 days at the night. Because you know, it's the best time to connect. Din bhar hum log sab busy hote hain. That is the time we can connect. So this is how the things are. Hope you've enjoyed, and it was a wonderful session for me to connect with you all. So thank you so much for being there, and hope to see you all on 12th. Till the time, bye bye. See you. You'll get the link by tomorrow in the morning. And please enroll fast if you really want to know more. Okay. Thank you so much. Anything else anybody would like to ask? Okay, fine. We are just ending the meeting. So thank you so much for being there. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.